Na tunashukuru vijana wetu ambao mara nyingine tulifikiria hawaoni shinda zile siku, wameamuka zaidi yetu na wamehakikisha hii serikali iko iwajibike. Demand ya Gen Z ni uwajibikaji wa serikali, sababu serikali inasimamia watu na fedha za watu. Kwa hivyo watu wanasema lazima iwajibike. They want an accountable government, not a government that leaves lunch when the citizens are suffering, not a government that spends money anyhowly, unaccountably, and continues taxing people, not a government that does not care about business people, doesn't care about the youth, not a government that wants the young people to defer their dreams even as they enrich themselves and pocket the resources that are there. So this demand for an accountable government will continue, na sisi tunaunga mkono Gen Z na tuko pamoja na wao. These young people are very educated. They are able to analyze issues. They have gone to the best schools. So a window dressing exercise will not satisfy them. So forget about saying you want to do some changes. Up here, when corruption starts from the bottom inaingia kwa civil service mpaka huko chini, what they want is complete overhaul of how government is run so that they can see value for their money. Uwezi kuendelea kuongeza taxes when problems, I would even say close to half of the money is actually misused. Ni matumizi na misuse ya pesa ya serikali wanataka iende chini. Hiyo pesa itumike vizuri kulipa hiyo mandeni, Kenya iweze kuenda mbele. So any cosmetic changes will not satisfy them, neither will we be satisfied as leaders. So hivyo tunaambia Gen Z, don't relent on your demand. Continue demanding.